In today's video guys, ituturo ko sa inyo mga lumabas examination ko nung pagkuha ko ng NC1. Ito yung certificate ko guys. O, ayun na po yan guys. Dito-transfer po sa inyo kapag once na nakapasa po kayo sa assessment guys. Ang assessment namin is guys, libre lang to guys. At pumunta lang kayo sa visit ng TESDA Scholars dyan sa Facebook page like this. Yan. Diyan makikita yung mga offer ng libreng mga courses na dating may bayad, ngayon ay libre na at may allowance ka pa. So, ay ito nga pala yung mga lumabas sa examination ko. Pag-take namin ng examination bago kami nag-actual. So, ito yung guys sa mga nalista ko. 5 essentials of preparing welding procedure. 5 essentials for proper welding procedures. Ito yung 5 na yun guys. Yung correct size electrodes, tapos correct current settings, tapos correct arc length, correct electrode angles, correct travel speed sa inyo guys. So, diba, nakikita nyo sa taas kung ano yung mga ano ko eh. Tapos yung types of testing of specimen, yung destructive testing, yung bedding testing, tapos grading testing, ayun yung mga yun guys. Tapos non-destructive testing, x-ray of radiation graphic, drying liquids, ultrasonic testing, at visual testings. Malabas sa akin guys. Tsaka welding fundamentals, yung earring protection, leather chips, safety shoes, safety goggles and welding gloves, helmets and leather jacket and leather sleeves. Ayun guys, so nakita naman dito guys, so kaya hinap ko lang yung face ko para makita nyo yung mga picture ko guys. Kasi ito yung mga tapos yung 5 basic joint in welding, yung butt joint, lap joint, heel joint, edge joint, corner joint. Okay, yung 5 nakita naman ito guys, diba? Tapos yung parts ng welding machine, ito yung current adjustment arm, tapos electrode cables, DC current polarity, ayun yung positive at negative dyan, tapos yung work leads, tapos yung cup nya is ground based metals, tapos yung electrode holders, tapos electrodes, and guys yung welding machine 1 to 40 na naman examination guys. So ako na makapasa kayo dun guys. Saka yung common tools and equipment used in arc welding, so yung welding machine, electrode holder and leads, ground clamps with leads, shields or helmet, leather gloves, chipping hammer, welding goggles, welding brush, electrode, protective clothing, electrode cables, and trim sticks. Ayan guys, isa kayo guys. Ayan guys, at sana may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels, and I love you all.